Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to lock any apps without using third-party apps in Pixel smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Pixel smartphone. So in order to lock any app on your Pixel smartphones, what you need to do is just tap and hold on the Raspberry application. So now you can see your app lock option. Just tap on it. Now it will show you some instructions, so you can read it. If you want to read it, just click on this add app lock. Now you will ask your password or face ID or pin, whichever you have set on your Pixel smartphone. So you can see finally we have set. So let me try to open this application which I have locked right now. So you can see it's asking a face ID since I have used a face ID. So let me try to unlock it. So you can see it's working perfectly. So if you want to remove this app lock from this Raspberry application, just tap and hold on it again. And now you can see your remove app lock. Just tap on it. Now just verify your PIN or face ID. Now the app lock feature will get removed. Just tap and hold on it. Now you can see here it's showing back the app lock since we have removed the lock features on it. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily lock any apps without using third-party apps in Pixel smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.